Hello everyone, Happy New Year. For this New Year celebration, I will be showing you all how to make a vanilla cake without eggs and oven. So now I have grinded some butter, half cup of curd, 1 by 4 cup of milk and 1 cup of sugar. And we have to add this paste into a bowl. And now I am adding half teaspoon of vanilla essence, just a half teaspoon, but it got more here, but it was still tasting good though it was little more. It almost came like 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, but just add half teaspoon of vanilla essence because that is also sweet and the sugar is also sweet, so it'll be more sweet then. Now I'm adding 1 cup of maida and a pinch of salt. Maida or all-purpose flour, both are same. Now after adding it, I'm adding 1 by 4 teaspoon of baking soda, or you can also use Eno, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And you have to mix it and then sieve, or you can sieve and then mix, or no need to even mix because we are anyways adding this flour into the before paste which we have made. The butter, half the cup, curd and the milk and the sugar and the vanilla essence too. We are anyways going to add it and then mix it, so it will be mixed that time also. Now we have to add this flour into the before mixture. Okay, you have to just add it. Now we have to mix it very nicely. Instead of using vanilla essence, you can also use pineapple essence, so that it comes like a pineapple cake. It tastes good. The people who hate pineapple also can easily eat it. It's very awesome. And you can also use cocoa powder here instead of vanilla essence, so that you get a chocolate cake. You can add both vanilla essence and cocoa powder too. Okay, so I have to mix without any lumps of the flour. I have to mix it very nicely. I'll just show you how it should be like. So it should be like this. This should be the consistency. You can just see, right? This should be the consistency. When I lift the spoon, it just drops off like that. So this should be the consistency. Now in a cake tin or any bowl or any box, we have to just grease some oil. And we have to just cut out a butter paper and place it onto it. And I'm adding some more oil on top of this also, and you have to grease that too. Grease that. Grease the oil also. So after greasing, we have to add the batter into it. After adding the batter, you have to just tap it so that the air bubbles go, and you can see it's unflattened. Now it gets a little bit flatter. And on a kadai, we have to just place a stand on medium flame, and we have to place the cake tin. And you have to place on the lid. So there you can see a small hole. There you can just close it with a cloth or a wet flour. I just covered with a wet flour. So it just comes on like this. So you can see it comes up like this, but it should be more brown on the sides. I'll just show you how it should come. So you can see in the sides it is turned brown. Then just take a knife, and after 30 minutes, you have to bake it for 30 minutes and on medium flame. So once you have baked for 30 minutes, after 30 minutes if I see there's something getting stuck, the cake mixture is getting stuck, the batter is getting stuck a little bit, so it has to bake for more, 10 or 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. And now after 10 minutes, I just checked. So there's nothing stuck to it. So I'm just offing the stove, and the cake is done. The cake is done. Now I'm just placing the lid, and I'm offing the stove. I just off the stove, and now after it cools down, just take a knife and move around the side so that the cake comes more easier. After that, Now take a plate and flip the cake tin and just tap it so it comes out easily. So you just saw how easily it came, and remove the butter paper now. So it's my first cake, so a little bit of the cake is coming out. If you have made more cakes, you can just try. So it's a little delicate, so hold it properly so it does not break, and flip it the other side. Now the cake is done. You can decorate with cream or anything. I just decorated with cashews like a smiley. And this is a New Year cake. This cake is done. You can see how spongy it is. I'll just show you. So you can see how spongy it is. And when you eat it, it'll be more nice. It was very sweet and it was very awesome. Not only for New Year, you can use for anything, any celebration. And this is Yatin, and Happy New Year for all of you. Thank you.